So you're moving in the Bay Area. Exciting, right? Or maybe just a tiny bit stressful? Don't worry, we've got you covered with the ultimate checklist to make sure you don't lose your sanity or your socks in the process. Label those boxes. And when we say label, we don't mean writing stuff on everything. Get specific. Trust us, future you will be much happier when the coffee mugs aren't hiding in a box labeled bedroom. Bonus points for color coding. Pack an essentials bag. This is your survival kit for the first night in your new place. Think toothbrush, pajamas, phone chargers, and snacks. Always pack snacks. Because no one wants to be digging through boxes at 10 p.m. looking for a granola bar. Call your utility companies. Electricity, water, and internet, oh my. Schedule these services to be up and running before move-in day. Unless you enjoy candlelit dinners while sitting on boxes in silence. Avoid the car Tetris nightmare. You might think you can stuff everything into your car, but moving trucks exist for a reason. Let the professionals handle it and give your car a break from playing storage on wheels. Declutter before you move. This is the perfect time to get rid of those maybe I'll use it someday items. Do you really want to haul that unused treadmill up 3 flights of stairs just for it to collect dust in a new corner? Bonus tip. If you run out of space or need somewhere to stash your stuff while you get settled, we've got a great solution. Visit arcostorage.com for safe, secure, and stress-free storage options. Because let's face it, we could all use a little extra space sometimes. Happy moving!